Oh, hey, that's the PC I have. I wonder what they have to say about it.
The system itself seems promising.
Seems promising. Nice.
There's a few problems with the case itself. In fact,
Oh, I wonder what he didn't like about it.
and his notes said, I generally hate this case.
Generally hate this case. That seems a little harsh. I mean, it's a case. It works fine for me. I wonder what their problems are with it.
Panel coloring isn't even close. Not sure how well that shows up after our camera attempts to correct for the white, but
The panel coloring, I guess it's slightly off, but I never noticed anything. Weird nitpick, but okay.
pre-aged yellow on it. Like,
It's not really that yellow. I mean,
another nice feature of this case that Patrick in particular really hated, and I've yet to experience, is the removal of the side panel.
oh, I know what he's talking about. I had kind of an issue with mine too, but it wasn't that hard to figure out how to get it off.
There's actually no way to get this glass panel off.
Oh no, there is a way. It's right on the bottom. I'm sure he'll find it.
The panel is inset, including at the back. There's no glass being exposed.
Yeah, it's nice and flush. It looks nice.
And that means the method to remove the glass is this.
Whoa, what are you doing? You can see the cutout right there. Is this guy for real? This must be a joke. I'm sure he's going to point it out in a second, like, oh, hey, but this is how you get it off. This is just for being dramatic.
Once we get inside of the case, we're past.
That's it? He's not going to come back to that? You can see the cutout right now, like it's right there. Alright, guys. I know you're trying to be a little over the top there, make it interesting, but come on, you couldn't figure out where that cutout was? To say you hated that case? Being a bit dramatic, aren't we?